Hey guys, welcome back to Wix It Fix It videos. This week I was just playing around. I had pulled this old stator coil out of a AC compressor, and I was just curious. It wasn't damaged. I had to let the oil drain off of it and dry out, but this came out. It's kind of cool. It's got a little piston right there. But yeah, that was in just a refrigeration compressor, like a refrigerator or freezer, something like that. I think it was a Copeland. I can't even remember. But anyway, I took some magnets like this, same thing right here, and I put them on a little motor with something to hold it here. That's actually a tobacco can, I think. Anyway, it works. And then I had to put a bridge rectifier on there, which most of y'all know turns alternating current into direct current. It was flickering real bad when it did come on. I didn't even know if it worked. But anyway, let's see. You can see it does work. Really well. It's a good little generator. I was going to do this off a solar panel to show you, but I waited too late. It's already dark outside. My bad. But anyway, these little bridge rectifiers, you can pull these little things out about anything. You put this is a ground going out and a hot going out, and just put your alternating current in the middle, right there where that wave is. Either way, I just like to keep it whatever, but then get you a capacitor, well, about 1,000 UF, I don't know, whatever, 25, 50 volts, 100 volts, something in that range. It keeps it steady. But yeah, you can see it does work. And it's just got those old cheap magnets. I didn't have none of those other magnets to put in there. I forget what they call them. But anyway, I mean, it does work. And anyway, yeah, I bought this thing, I don't know, it was about a year ago. Y'all can see that. It's a little magnetic generator, 1500 watts, 14 volts. I don't know if y'all can see that, but ouch. See that light? But I was going to make a wind generator, and I just hadn't got around to it. I'm going to have to make some big old paddles for this thing. It's got a little bit of resistance. Anyway, I'm making a homemade generator, but I made some stator coils, which was 11 loops. And I mean, of course, y'all know how to do it, I guess. But anyway, you just keep your hots and grounds in order all the way around. When you get to here, bring both of your load and neutral out right here. And you can just make you something like this right here to make the coils. Just put it on there where you can wrap it. And as it goes, Just pull it tight and push it down. I want 11 turns on this one, because I mean I wasn't gonna make it that strong, but you just keep doing that. Just keep it straight. But anyway, I got this old wire off of a stator coil. When it blew out one side, and I took this unraveled. When I cut it open, I was going to get the copper out, but it was in good shape, so I just wrapped it up, got this one and this one out of it. That's pretty cool. These little things, it's a stepper motor. What a lot of people don't know about them though is if you pull, if I can get it out, this whole core, this whole thing of this rotor is solid magnetic. Once I figure out the wiring on this, I'm gonna make a little generator out of it. Yeah, it's magnetic. I don't know. See, I don't know what kind of generator it will make, but it'll be interesting to try it. I didn't know they had a full magnetic core in them. Anyway, that's all I was wanting to show y'all. Like I said, this is just a, don't throw those compressors away if you don't want to make one of these. I mean, they're full of copper too. But you can pull that stator core out and just put you a little magnetic motor. That's a 1.5 to 12 volt motor. I didn't even show you that. Which you can, I mean, you can get them all shapes and sizes. Just make you something to where it'll hold to it. That's a good thing. If you can run one of these off of a couple volts and you can generate 12, 24 volts, I mean, you're coming out ahead. Anyway, that's all I wanted this week. Figured I'd show y'all that. I was just messing around. Thought y'all might see that's funny. I mean, I wouldn't throw them away. Those compressors, even if you don't want to make one of these, you can, that's steel and all this copper's in it. And it pays a lot more if you separate it. Anyway, guys, oh yeah, before I go, I want to show y'all this one. This is a little, I was going to make, this was a ceiling fan. And I took it apart. I took a few of the wires out, but this ring right here, I put the magnets all the way around it. And you can see it spins. It spins better when it's clamped down and fixed. It rolls real easy. But yeah, I'm gonna make a turbine out of it. Probably a water turbine with paddles on it. But I had some of these coils, wire coils, that was, I don't know if I did it or they were already broke, but I'm gonna have to rewire it. I tried to get power out of it, and if all it takes is one of these wires to be broke in a series, and it won't work. But anyway, I wanted to show that to you. I thought it's pretty cool. You know, you take those little ceiling fans and make generators out of them, but y'all probably seen that. But yeah, these are fun to play with. I mean, it's simple hookup. Just don't cut your coil wire or your wire off right here. Just a straight hot ground and a common here, or neutral. I've actually got two hots on this one, but I didn't use this one. It puts out, I don't know, 2 to 5 volts. I hadn't figured that part out, but anyway, thought y'all might want to see it. But thanks for watching, guys, and please like and subscribe.